Burning elements in oxygen. Let's start talking about burning carbon. For example, we have coal, which is made of carbon. Carbon doesn't easily light in air. It needs to be heated up very well. So when we give it heat, it lights up and gives colorless carbon dioxide gas. The reaction is carbon plus oxygen gas reacts to give carbon dioxide gas. The flame is yellow-orange, and we can notice some sparks, and that depends on the purity of carbon. So carbon needs to be heated up very well to light up in the air when we have oxygen to give carbon dioxide gas. And the flame usually is of yellow-orange color, as you can see in this figure.